You mentioned something interesting na parang you sort of evaluate each other. Are you very critical of one another? Like, are you hard on each other? Na if you see your brother not playing well, you'll be the first one to say it. Ganon ka, Mike, kay Matt?
Opo. Kasi we're really honest between each other. And especially if kunwari masama nilalaro ni Matt, ako yung unang maririnig niya na nagagalit sa kanya.
Okay, you shared to our viewers on the score the harshest thing that you've had to tell Matt.
This season siguro nung na-fracture yung kamay niya nung against FEU when we lost the game. Actually, nung natalo kami, sinisi ko yung laro kay Matt kahit hindi siya naglaro. Parang sabi niya sa akin, bakit sa akin wala akong nagawa. Sabi ko, kasi hindi ka naglaro, as in nagalit po talaga ako. Umabot na sa point na talagang, I said bad things and negative things towards Matt. Kasi feel ko, pwede naman siya maglaro, but sabi niya, gusto niya sana maglaro pero hindi siya pinalaro talaga ni Coach Tab. Si 3D na fouled out din nung game na yon. Na sanay kami na nasa kanya yung bola. Tapos wala siya against nung FEU.
So it was his fault.
Yeah, kasalanan ni Matt.
Kasalanan ko, nabali yung kamay ko.
Nagalit ako sa kanya. Ganon. Pero buti na lang nandun si Daddy. Kasi si Daddy na nagpa-relax sa akin towards kay Matt.
Okay, it's your chance to get back at Mike.
We were started playing college. Sabi ko, you won't get in the team because you're so fat. You have to lose weight and you have to convert yourself into a guard because you will never have a future in basketball when you're still a center.
Seryoso, sinabi mo sa kanya yan? You said like straight out?
Kasi lalo ni first year ni Coach Tab.
Will you ever lose that ability to be brutally honest with each other?
Probably not.
No?
Dahil doon, kaya kami nandito sa position ngayon. If we're not honest to each other and we're just parang plastic lang kami, never kami mag-improve as a person and as a player.